So today's topic is permutations. In that first one, using the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, not more than once in any number. The number of 5-digit numbers that can be formed is the number of 5-digit numbers by using the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the digits given. From this, find the number of 5-digit numbers that can be formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. So here we require 5-digit number. So in this given digits we have 0. If you write 0 in the extreme left, then the digit for extreme left of a number 0, there is no value. For that, so 0 is not satisfied in this place. So if 0 is not satisfied in this place means this can be filled with any one of 2, 4, 6, 8 in 4 ways. So this can be done in 2, 4, 6, 8. Any one of 2, 4 it can be 4 ways. Then how many digits we have remaining? 0. Suppose if you write 2 here, then remains 0, 4, 6, 8. So 4 digits can be placed in these 4 places in 4 factorial. 4 factorial is 24. 4 into 24 is 96. Next, second one. 10 men, 6 women are be seated in a row so that no 2 women sit together. The number of such permutations. 10 men, 6 women. The 16 members can be arranged in a row such that no 2 women sit together. That means we have to arrange first the 10 men. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 members can be arranged in these 10 places in 10p10 ways. 10p10 is clearly 10 factorial. Now, after arranging 10 men, we have how many gaps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 11 gaps. In these 11 gaps, we can arrange 6 women. In 11 places, 6 women can be arranged in 11p6 ways. So total number of ways is equal to total number of ways is equal to by fundamental theorem 10 factorial into 11p6 is our answer. Otherwise 10 factorial into NPR formula. What is NPR formula? N factorial by n minus r factorial, that is 11p6 is 11 factorial by 11 minus 6 is 5 factorial. Next, third one. The number of ways to rearrange the letters of the word cheese. The number of ways of cheese. Rearrange the cheese. C-H-E-E. Yes. Given word is cheese. The number of rearrangements. The number of rearrangements. Total number of how many letters we have in cheese? So 6 factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factorial by in these 6 letters we have 3 letters are repeated 1, 2, 3, so 3 factorial. These are the total number of ways of arranging the letters of the word cheese. But in this 6 factorial by 3 factorial words we have cheese. So here what is asking here? Rearranging, that means subtract that word. That word is one way. So 6 factorial by 3 factorial minus 1 is the outer answer. Next, fourth one. The number of ways that 8 beads of different colors, 8 beads of different colors be strung as a necklace. So 8 beads. Number of necklaces. So here necklace is clearly a hanging type. So in hanging type problem, that means hanging type becomes necklace, chain, garlands. Chain or necklace or garlands. Formula is n minus 1 factorial by 2. Here n is, what is n? 8. So 8 minus 1 factorial by, that means 7 factorial by 2. Next, fifth one. The number of ways in which 4 letters we can put in four addressed envelopes, so that no letter goes into the envelope meant for it. What is asking here? Four letters can be put in 4 addressed envelopes, so that no letter goes to its meant for it. That means it is clearly dearrangement. So dearrangement. The number of dearrangement formula is n factorial into 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial minus and so on. So here n equal to, how many letters we have to put? 4 letters. So n equal to 4. Substitute in that. So 4 factorial into 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial. So 4 factorial is 24. So 24 by 2 minus 24 by 3 factorial is 6 plus 24 by 24. By simplifying this we get 24 by 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Next, sixth one. The letters of the word random are arranged in all possible ways. The number of arrangements in which there are 2 letters between R and D. Given word is random. So find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word random such that the 2 letters between R and D. So total we have, this is 6 letter word, given word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is asking here? The number of ways the letters are in which there are 2 letters between R and D. Suppose if you put R here, then D right after 2 places. Suppose if you take R in the second place, D can move to its right side. D is here. Next, R in the third place, D in the sixth place. So R, D can be arranged in 3 ways, and R and D can be interchanged among themselves in 2 factorial. So R is not specified, R and D or D and R. Suppose if we put R and D in first way, then how many places we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many letters remain? R and D over R and D, then remains 4 letters. These 4 letters can be arranged in 4 places in 4 factorial ways. So therefore, the total number of arrangements is equal to 3 into 2 factorial into 4 factorial. That is 6 into 24 becomes 144. Not divisible by 5, which consists of different odd digits. We require the 5-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, which is not divisible by 5 and consists of different odd digits. That means given digits. What are the given digits? Give different odd digits. What is odd digits? We have 1, 3, 5, 7. By using these odd digits, we require the 5-digit numbers which are not divisible by 5. So here, what are the divisibility conditions for 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the units place contains either 0 or 5, then that number is clearly divisible by 5. But here what is asking? The number of numbers which are not divisible by 5. That means the numbers which are not contains 5 or 0 in the units place, then that numbers are not divisible by 5. So 0 is not given digits, so that case is not possible. If we have 5, if you write 5 here, this number is divisible by 5. But what is asking here? The numbers which are not divisible by 5 is, so 5 is not satisfied in this place. So 5 is not satisfied in this place means remaining digits 1, 3, 7, 9. This any one of 4 digits can be placed in this place in 4 ways. Now, suppose you write 1 here, then how many digits remain? 3, 5, 7, 9, 4 digits remain. That 4 digits can be placed in these 4 places in 4 factorial. So, therefore, the total number of ways is equal to the number of ways or the total number of ways is equal to 4 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial is 24. 24 4 jar is 96. Next, eighth one. The number of 4-digit numbers, we require 4-digit numbers. That numbers are formed by using the digits 0 to 4, 5. 0, 2, 4, 5. These are the digits given. And which are not divisible by 5. Which are not divisible. The number of 4-digit numbers. We require the number of 4-digit numbers by using these digits. And which are not divisible by 5. Suppose if you write 0 here, that number is divisible by 5. Or suppose you write 5 here, that number is also divisible by 5. That means 0 and 5 is not satisfied in the first unit's place. If we write 0 and 5, then that number is divisible by 5, but we require the numbers which are not divisible by 5. That means 0 and 5 is not satisfied in this place. So this place can be filled with any one of 2 or 4. Any one of 2 or 4 can be filled in 2 ways, either 2 or 4 2 ways. Now suppose if we write 2 here, we have 0. Suppose if we write 0 here, then that number is becomes 2-digit number. Sorry, 3-digit number. We require a 4-digit number. Extreme left, there is no value for 0. That's why 0 is not satisfied in the extreme left. That means thousands place. So 0 is not come and already 2 written. So how many digits we have? 2 digits. That 2 digits, any one of 2 digits can be placed in the tenth or thousands place in 2 ways. Then how many digits remain? 2 digits remain. So that 2 digits can be filled in these 2 places in 2 factorial ways. So 2 into 2 factorial into 2. So therefore the number of 4-digit numbers, the number of numbers is equal to 2 into 2 factorial into 2, that becomes 6. Next, ninth one. The number of numbers greater than 2400. The number of numbers greater than 2400. Greater than 24,000 can be formed by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 when no digit being repeated. 5 digits given, 5 digits given, the number of 5-digit numbers greater than 24,000 you can ask. 24,000 is clearly a 5-digit number, write 5 boxes. So clearly what is asking here, the numbers greater than 24,000 means the 10,000 place can be filled with any one of 3, 4, 5. If you write 3 here, this becomes 30,000. Suppose if you write 4 here, it becomes 40,000 something. If you write 5 here, it becomes 50,000 something. 30, 40, 50,000 are clearly greater than 24,000. So that means any one of 3, 4, 5 can be placed in this place in 3 factorial ways. Sorry, 3 ways. Suppose if you write 3 here, then 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5 digits are in. 1, 2, 4, 5. 4 digits remain. That 4 digits can be filled in these 4 places in 4 factorial ways. This is case 1 and case 2. One more case exists. That case is write 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose if you write 1 here, this becomes 10,000 something, that is clearly less than 24,000. So 1 is not satisfied. Suppose if you write 2 here, it becomes 20,000 something. 2 can be placed in this place in one way, 2 into 2. And the second place, the thousands place can be filled with any one of 4 or 5. If you write 1 here, this becomes 21,000. If you write 2 here, it becomes 22,000. If you write 3 here, it becomes 23,000. 21,000, 22,000, 23,000 are clearly less than 24,000. So that's why 1, 2, 3 not satisfied in this place. If you write 4 here, this becomes 24,000 something. Or if you write 5 here, 25,000 something. So these two numbers are greater than 24,000. So either 4 or 5 can be placed in this place in two ways. Then how many digits remain? 2 is already over. Next 4, 5. You get 4, 5. Suppose if you write 4 here, then remains 5. 5, 4, 3, 1. So 3 digits can be placed in these 3 places in 3 factorial ways. So total number of ways is equal to case 1 3 into 4 factorial plus 2 into 3 factorial. So 4 factorial 24, 24 plus 3, 24 3 are 72. 3 factorial is 6, 6 2 are 12, that becomes 8.